So today I am reviewing the Transformers Space Robots and a gun that I got from Blackpool, which you will know in a couple of minutes. Anyway, these things are the weirdest toys I have ever seen. When you roll them, don't do anything. What you do, these are 99p if you're wondering. I thought when you roll them, they would roll across the floor, but look at these abominations. I'll build this a minute. What the hell is that? Look at that. Some weird baby monster. You can't really do anything with it. It's a thing you can mess with and then just rebuild it. And look, see here? Oh, yeah. Look on the back, there's nothing. No pictures, no information about it, just nothing. And now that's one of the weirdest ones that I found out. Now let's show you another one. As you can see, these are exactly the same. What's the point of that? Two exactly the same things. Wait a minute. Oh yeah, I thought my volume was low, but it's alright. And they're exactly the same. Exactly. Watch. I even prove it. These things are. You're thinking these things are very, very easy to break. Honestly, you will break them in one touch. I didn't even touch that one, and its leg fell off. You have to be very careful with these things. And also, what the hell is that? A superhero kangaroo. Really? Just. This is an absolute abomination, honestly. It's the worst thing I've ever seen. Wow.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm just doing the review.
Are you doing one, are you?
Yeah?
Sorry, I've got in the way now.
So look, I haven't touched it, and this just happened. Just a little crack in it just happened. What are you doing?
Try not to get in your picture.
And look at that. Great big hole in it. Didn't even touch it. Didn't even touch that spot. Or another one here, look. Just happened. And look, this is exactly the same. Watch. I did them both here. Look. Have a look at that. Exactly the same. Now, this is exactly the same as well, except it's just pink. Now this one, just exactly the same, just except pink. Nothing really you need to do about that. As you can see, it's broke. That's the thing that's broken off the pink one. Now this one, I know it looks cool, but it isn't. I can't make any sense of it. Can't do anything. Fuck, do everything with it. Can't do anything now. Ah, here we go. That's it. That is it. That's it. that's it. Stupid. This one's really weird. And that's the Transformers Space Robots. Do not buy them, honestly. Well, if you're a fan which likes messing with things and looking at weird things and stuff, then I guess buy them, but I don't recommend it. Now, my ratings for these things, a very low score, 2. A 2. Now, it's only a 2 because this one's one of the, that doesn't even hardly work, but this is one of my favourite ones. It's just the colours of it, that's what the 2 is. The 8 breaks easily, they look weird, they are basically, you're basically just buying weird things, and when you roll them, nothing. What's the point of that? Just sorry, it's closing down there. Ooh. Right, just 1 second, I'll plug in my charger. Ew, plugged in now, it's alright. Now, oh wait, I forgot about this one. This one is really bad because this is a really weird one. Just 1 second. That's it. That's it. That is it. Really. Now, I didn't. This is what they look like. They were all in balls, all like this. Wait, let me put them back like they would look if they were in the store. Oh, this one's broken. Look, the head just popped out. There you go. Now, I got these. They looked cool when they were in the pack. See? That's what they look like. I think they honestly look better when they're in the ball. Yeah, seriously, look. It's rather a kangaroo or that. Alright, now, next thing. Let's get that atrocity out of the way. Now, this is my new toy gun, which I got from Blackpool when I visited on Saturday. Now, this is a pretty good gun. You can see, just like a normal one. I don't use the bullets, so I never use the bullets, because it gets the law for under 18 child to use the bullets for it first. So it is good. It's a very good gun. See, pretty loud, but pretty good how it drops out. Now, I would give this about 7, because 7 is that it acts like a gun, as it would normally would, and it also really loud like a gun. Ow. My ears. But the 3 is, you can hardly do anything with it. Usually like safety and stuff like that, but no, nothing. So that was my review for the Atrocity Transformers Space Robots and the good gun, which is you can buy. Can't remember what shop it was. Well, hope you enjoyed, and see you later, YouTube viewers.